Understanding Iris Recognition, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the fascinating concept of iris recognition. This technology is not just a part of sci-fi movies but a reality in our daily lives. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just curious about modern technology, this video will help you understand what iris recognition is all about. So, let's dive in. Iris recognition is a method of biometric identification. Biometrics refers to a unique physical characteristic of a person used for digital identification. In this case, the focus is on the iris of the human eye. The iris is the colored ring around your pupil, and it has patterns that are unique to each individual, much like a fingerprint. Iris recognition involves several steps. 1. Image capture. A high-resolution camera captures a detailed photograph of your iris. 2. Pattern recognition. Special software then analyzes the photo, focusing on the unique patterns in the iris. 3. Comparison. These patterns are converted into a digital form and compared to a database of stored iris patterns. 4. Identification or verification. The system then either identifies a person or verifies their identity. Iris recognition is used in various fields for enhanced security. Some common uses include airport security, for quick and secure passenger verification, access control in secure areas, like in government buildings or research labs, banking and financial services, for secure transactions, healthcare, to accurately identify patients and access their medical records. The advantages of iris recognition include high accuracy. Iris patterns are complex and unique, making them highly reliable for identification. Non-intrusive. It's a contactless process, which is hygienic and easy to use. However, there are challenges. High cost. The technology is expensive to implement. Privacy concerns. Storing biometric data raises privacy issues. Environmental factors. Poor lighting or glasses can affect accuracy. We hope this video helped you understand the exciting world of iris recognition. This technology is a great example of how biology and technology can work together to improve security and efficiency in our daily lives. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.